Hi there, I'm David. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing tool that helps you create stunning videos. No filming, no editing needed, just a few clicks, and you're on your way to viral content. Want to create YouTube videos without filming, editing, or even showing your face? What if I told you that you only need a few lines of text or a single image? There's an AI tool that turns words into animated videos. And yes, it's free. The tool I'm sharing today is called Pika, an AI platform that creates videos directly from text. For example, I just typed something like, a cat flying across a starry night sky. And Pika automatically turns that into a short animated video with motion, lighting, and effects. You can choose different styles: cartoon, 3D, anime, cinematic, whatever fits your vibe. Just hit generate, wait a few seconds, and boom! Your video is ready to post on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. You can also upload your own image and animate it. But today, I'm focusing on text to video, since it's the fastest and easiest way for beginners. With Pika, you don't need editing skills or fancy tools. You can make pro-looking videos in minutes. I've tried it myself and it blew me away. If you found this helpful, follow for more, and check the link in my description to try it for free.